Every day, many everyday products on supermarket shelves are made from plastic. Flexible bags, laminated pouches, rigid containers, bottles, jars, and caps all serve different packaging needs. Although these items look simple, each one is produced using a very different industrial process.
Some products are formed from flexible film, while others are shaped as rigid containers using molding technology.
So how are these products manufactured, and where does this process take place? The answer lies inside a modern plastic packaging manufacturing smart factory.
Film production begins with resin formulated specifically for packaging applications. Automated conveying systems deliver this material directly to the extrusion lines. Gravimetric dosing hoppers measure and prepare material formulations inside sealed systems before extrusion.
The resin is dried and conditioned inside sealed hopper dryers before entering the extrusion process. The film is produced using fully enclosed industrial extrusion systems.
Temperature across the extrusion zones is electronically regulated.
The die shapes the molten material into a continuous film moving in a stable direction.
Inline sensors measure thickness continuously without stopping production.
The finished film is wound into large rolls for downstream operations.
These rolls are transferred automatically to the printing process.
Flexographic printing machines apply graphics directly onto the film surface. Vision systems inspect registration and color accuracy in real time.
After printing, the material enters lamination to create multi-layer structures.
Bonding and adhesive application are controlled inside enclosed lamination systems.
The manufacturing execution system enforces curing time requirements.
Once cured, the laminated material is rewound and prepared for conversion.
Automatic machines convert the laminated film into finished bags and pouches.
Sealing is performed using electrically heated sealing jaws.
Inspection systems verify seal quality and pouch geometry.
Any non-conforming items are removed automatically.
Approved products continue toward final packing.
All production data from this line is recorded in real time by the MES. Rigid products are produced using dedicated resin grades suitable for molding. Material handling systems deliver resin into the feeding units of injection molding machines.
Before molding, the resin is dried and stabilized inside sealed hopper dryers.
Injection molding machines form bottles, jars, and containers with high precision. Robotic systems remove molded parts in a controlled and repeatable manner. The molded items move uniformly toward inspection stations.
Critical dimensions are verified automatically.
Caps are manufactured on separate high-precision molding lines.
They are sorted and oriented consistently for downstream processes.
From here, the caps move toward decoration or assembly. Containers enter specialized labeling or printing lines. Labels or sleeves are applied using controlled industrial methods. Vision systems verify alignment and placement accuracy.
Caps receive printed markings or identification codes.
Finished components proceed toward final inspection.
Production performance for these lines is tracked in real time by the MES.
Final inspections confirm integrity and compliance. Each product remains fully traceable to its material lot and process conditions.
Automatic packing systems prepare finished goods for shipment.
Robotic palletizing stacks cartons with consistent accuracy.
Each pallet receives a digital identification label.
Autonomous vehicles transport pallets along predefined routes.
Automated warehouses store products by category.
Inventory and production data are synchronized with enterprise systems.
This information is used to calculate cost and manage delivery schedules.
Real-time production progress remains visible inside the MES. Equipment efficiency is continuously analyzed using OEE metrics. Production scrap is collected and routed for recycling.
Energy consumption is monitored across all lines.
Automation ensures stable, repeatable manufacturing operations. PLC, IIoT, MES, and ERP systems operate as a single integrated architecture. Together, they enable modern plastic packaging manufacturing.
Precision, traceability, and real-time control define this factory.
This is industrial manufacturing at scale.